integration by substitution. So we'll solve these three problems of integration by substitution quickly, maximum 2 minutes for each problem, not more than that. How to solve this? Let us check. I will put log x is equal to t. So if I put log x is equal to t, what is derivative of log x? 1 upon x dx is equal to dt. Can I rewrite this problem like this? Just check. Integration of cos square of log x into 1 upon x dx. I'm just shifting 1 upon x here. Now it will be integration of cos square of, what is log x? T. 1 upon x dx is dt. How to solve this integration of cos square? Cos square theta is 1 plus cos 2 theta upon 2 dt, if you remember this trigonometric formula. Then 1 by 2 outside, this 2 outside, what is integration of 1 dt? T. Integration of cos 2t is sin 2t upon 2. Correct? So 1 by 2 as it is. What is t here? T here is what? Log x. So log x plus sin of 2 into log x. Correct? Upon 2 plus c, and plus c is right after the integration. So we got the answer. Check next now this one. Check how to solve this. So I is equal to, this is given. Check this, how I am going to write this. I will rewrite this I. Integral 1 upon sec square of x e raised to x into e raised to x into bracket 1 plus x dx. I am just writing this together, this separate. I am going for substitution now, and it is going to be put x e raised to x is equal to t. I am going to put this as t. Apply UV rule. X derivative of e raised to x, e raised to x. E raised to x, derivative of x is 1, bracket complete dx is equal to dt, and you will find this right here. Correct? I can just rewrite this. Integration of 1 upon sec square of, what is x e raised to x? It's t. What is this term here? Na? Why? If you take e raised to x common, it will be same here. Just take e raised to x into 1 e raised to x. Correct or not? E raised to x into x, x e raised to x. So this whole term is what? Dt. Now tell me, integration of 1 upon sec squared is cos squared t dt. Correct or not? Now what is integration of cos squared t? Same here. Integration of cos squared is 1 plus cos 2t upon 2 bracket complete dt, and same integral like this. Let me explain third one. Check how I'm going to do this. I is equal to integral 1 upon cosec of e raised to x upon x, e raised to x into x minus 1 upon x square dx. How to solve this? Check this. I'm going for substitution. Put e raised to x upon x is equal to t. I'm going to put this as t. U upon v rule, v. Derivative of e raised to x, e raised to x. V derivative of u minus u. Derivative of v upon v square, bracket complete dx is equal to dt. And you can just check e raised to x outside, x minus 1 upon x square dx is equal to dt. You will find this term here. So what I am going to get? Integral 1 upon cosec of, what is e raised to x upon x? T. What is this whole term here? It's dt. And what is integration of 1 upon cosec? 1 upon cosec is sin t dt. Integration of sin is minus cos t plus c, and minus cos t is e raised to x upon x plus c, and this is simple and basic substitution problem.